Hello and welcome to our AP Government and Politics classroom. My name is Mr. Reed. There are no prereqs to take this course. Many students are 11th graders. Overwhelming majority are 11th grade students. However, we do have some exceptions for 12th grade students. What you do need to bring is a positive attitude. As you can see, pretty big in my course. Attitude is everything in here, and a great work ethic, and you're going to be good to go. Some of the things that we love doing in here, we love questioning things. We love yelling at each other in an organized sense, in debates and things of that nature. We work with each other a lot, whether it's group work, project-based learning. You're going to be having conversations with your friends in class and with other people that you may not know so well in class. The job that I have is for you to not accept somebody else's opinion, but to respect somebody else's opinion. And that really leads to great dialogue. That's what we do in here. I want to show you around the classroom a little bit. Something students love is our U-Bench, I call it. It's something that I built for students to collaborate. Also have an opportunity to look out into the mall. People watch a little bit. Students love when I put their work up on the fridge. There's no food in there, but I do like to display some work on the fridge. You're going to be moving around a lot in here. We usually have music playing, fun stuff going on. So I'm really hoping to see you sometime soon in AP Government and Politics. All right, see you soon.